what's going on? What's going on? This is Ola coming to you live from my Empire Pro Studios. Welcome. Welcome to Safe Crypto Club. We talk about everything crypto investing. So it's called Safe Crypto Investing Club. I have a course on this channel absolutely for free where you literally can follow me as I was trying to learn about crypto. And the idea here is that we have an experimental portfolio that I will be showing you. And it's been an interesting 2-3 weeks that we started this, and the market has been up and down and craziness and all kind of wild stuff going on in the market, and Bitcoin crashing all the way down to where it went. I mean, from $64,000 to right now I think it's trading at, let's see, I think it's $36,000 right now. And you've seen the ups and downs, massive craziness. I mean, if you look at the past 7 days here, man, from it crashed all the way. Let's just look at 1 month, right? Crashed all the way down from $50-something thousand to as low as, I think the lowest point here was $30,000. Okay, and you know, right now it's trading at what, $36,000. So there's a lot of panic in the market. Everyone is scared. but it's important to just understand that you shouldn't be scared. The only reason why you're probably scared is because you don't have a strategy. You were basically gambling and trying to time the market. And we have 7 rules that we follow here that you can make sure you watch that video on this channel called the 7 rules to safe crypto investing. Just type in 7 rules safe crypto investing. It should come right up on YouTube. But the whole point of me coming to you right now is, first of all, to give you a market update, a portfolio update on our experimental portfolio, and then give you some tips here and there, then see what's going on in the news. Also, I wanted to talk about what are the safest coins or safest cryptos to put your money in right now. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, so there are, as you can see here, there are 10,159 cryptos. And so which one are the safest coins to invest in? Everyone is talking about the safest coin right now because they're scared. In fact, I heard somebody told me that if it goes down to $25,000, they're moving their money into the safe coins. So I think they're talking about things like Tether, you know, like this one that doesn't move, the $1. And I think there's another one. I'm trying to think of it right now. So there are 2 coins. Okay, there you go. DAI, this one right here. They're safe coins, meaning you can move your money into it. It retains its US dollar value. That's it. Okay, that's all it does. But quote unquote, it's protected away from the fiat currency. Okay, I guess I don't really understand that all the way yet. I haven't taken the time to really look at that. What I'll tell you right now is that it doesn't necessarily feel that way so far, based on what I'm hearing. I think you're better off just following your strategy and investing in the market. If Bitcoin is crashing down to 30,000, the only thing you should be thinking is how to buy more. Okay, that's all you should be thinking. Buy more. And anyway, it doesn't matter if it goes to 64,000 right now again today. You should be buying on a periodical pace, at a frequency that's predetermined, at a set price of amount of money that you're willing to lose. What is that kind of money you're willing to lose? Some people argue that there's no money you're willing to lose. Yes, there is. How much money will drop out of your pocket this week and it will not send you to Brookland? Okay, is it $100? Is it $20? If you're following my lead here, I recommend that you start with $20 for the first 20 weeks. Get a feel of what's going on in the market. Feel the ups and downs. See if you can handle it. If you can't handle $20 per week, you probably should stay away from the market. Okay, and if you want to go pull out $20,000 from your bank account and dump it into crypto because you're speculating and somebody told you there's such a thing as a speculative strategy, you're probably going to lose that money regardless, because again, what just happened over the past few days will happen, right? And then you're going to become a nerve wreck. Okay, I mean, just look at this, right? From 64 down to $30,000. So many people lost money right now. Because why? Not because they sold, not because the Bitcoin crashed, because they sold. Okay, precisely because they sold. Because in my opinion, Bitcoin is going to $100,000. How long? I don't know, because again, that's why I'm not trying to time the market. The market is operating on my time, and that's the strategy that I'm personally using for this experimental portfolio. With that being said, please, I am not a financial advisor. Make sure you seek professional advice before you invest any significant amount of money. Okay. All right. Now, with that being said, let's do a quick update of the market. Let's see where everything is with respect to the market, where our portfolio is with respect to the market. If you want access to this crypto tracker, you can just simply, all you have to do is text the word safe. Don't put quotes around it, just the word safe directly to me at 732-517-7532. I think it's US only, or maybe Canada, I'm not sure. Just try it, and then you have access to my crypto tracker, which is what you're looking at, and a link to $10 worth of Bitcoins if you're signing up for Coinbase for the first time. All right, so now let's look at what we got here. All right, so the market is up by 7.39%. Okay, the market has been beat up. Yesterday was down by 10%. The market has been beat up over the past few days. I'm laughing because I can. Okay, so 7.39 is how the market is doing today. I put that here in market change, 7.39. Okay, and then I'm gonna pick up two other numbers, which is our previous value in the last 24 hours and then our present value. So let's go look that up really quickly. Let's go to our portfolio here. All right, so right now we're at 434.18. That's where we are. In the last 24 hours we were at 478.40, 478.40, and then the present value of the portfolio right now is 534.18. 534.18. All right, so I think the crypto market is open 24 hours, so you can see here we're beating the market by 57%. Okay, the market is at 7% up. We're up by 11%. That tends to be the case. This is just my way of feeling on the pulse of the market, okay, with respect to our portfolio. All right, and then you can see here that we're still down by 9.77% overall in ROI as far as how much money we've invested so far, and you can see the journey so far here. The first 2 weeks we were down by 12-15%, then it went up to 23%, 39%, and you can see all the movement over the past few weeks. Like I just preached to you, start with $20. We just upgraded to $100 on this experimental portfolio. Okay, so here you go. You can see on the week of May 17, that's just 3 weeks ago, actually about 2 weeks ago, everything crashed. We were up by 31%, everything crashed. The portfolio crashed down to 18% because the market was getting beat up. So right now it's still crawling its way back up. Again, it's a matter of the market. If I don't sell, it doesn't matter. This is a 5 to 7 years play. Okay, if I don't sell, it really doesn't matter. You can see the ups and downs of the ROI. Like it looks like something is beating it up, right? In the back, on the head, everywhere, right? But you can see the portfolio is going to continue to grow. As a matter of fact, picks up pace here because we increase the money we're putting in the market. Okay, so the goal here is that this ROI over time obviously is going to be way higher than that, but that's what the market is doing. That's what the portfolio is doing health wise. Let's see what's going on in the news. If there's anything significant, let's take a quick look and then we'll call it a day. Let's see here. Interesting. What are the news? Okay, there you go. So Ethereum transaction fees hit lowest level since January. So that probably has to do with lower, less transactions, because again, there's the volatility. You know, everything is kind of calming down a little bit because of the up and downs and all the different transactions that's happening. So what this tells me is that, you know, when there's demand, there's, you know, the price is higher, and then when there's more supply, than demand, then the price is lower. That's what that tells me. So this doesn't tell me much. The only thing I can tell you right now is that, again, this is going to get more optimized over time, because again, it's new technology, so I don't really bother too much about this. The fact that people are talking and the market is still moving is all I care about. What I don't want, just like in any relationship, is indifference. That's all I don't want. Okay, I want people to keep talking, even when the transaction is high, slow. It's not part of the ecosystem I have to worry about because of the strategy that I use. A16 aims to raise $2 billion for its third crypto fund. Yeah. Cardano begins countdown to smart contracts with Alonzo testnet. Okay, Cardano is supposed, that's what I heard. I haven't read much about it. And that is supposed to be competing with Ethereum as a platform for smart contract. Okay. Bitcoin's volatility spawns new crypto balance sheet alternatives. Okay. Fed up with rock bottom returns on their cash, about to get another pitch from the world of crypto. Yeah. Bitcoin slumps as trader. That was on May 29. That was May 28th. Today is the 30th. That was 30 days ago, right? Slumped 7% to near 35,000, recalling levels seen in the crypto meltdown last week as traders brace for fresh volatility. All right, so that makes me want to go here and really look at this a little bit closer. Oh, let's go to 1 month, right? No, 1 year. So I always tell people, look at the 1 year chart. The 1 year chart is the only thing that should be creating your judgment. Okay. On this 1 year, obviously this is a big ass deep here, right? In lower lows, right? That means the market is getting beat up. Unlike when you were having higher lows here, higher lows, higher support and higher resistance, right? But this is a beat up because this low right here, this particular support, if I go back to here, let me use the trading view. All right, so let's go to 1 year. There you go. All right, so if you look at this right here, we're at 34,000. The last time the market was in this support area was January, right? So the market literally crashed back by 5 months, right? So that's 5 months ago. And so yeah. All right, so yeah, it got beat up real bad. I'm showing you this. Why? Because I'm telling you that it's oversold. Okay, if you look at the fact that it's been higher lows, higher highs here, and the trend over time. And if you go back to, let's see here, go back to, it was 2020. If you go back here, it's oversold. Okay, it's oversold in my opinion. And I'm saying that not just based off of this technical chart I'm looking at right now. I'm also saying it based on the fact of the fundamentals behind cryptocurrency in general. It's a new technology. Blockchain is a new technology that's not going anywhere. So there's going to be a lot of truth that will not be reflected on this chart. As you can see, there's a big rally up here, and it's going to just big ups and downs. This is why you don't want to gamble with this market. It's uncharted territories. We don't know what is what. So you want to make sure you're careful. So that's what I have for you today. We're doing well, as you can see, not bad. Even our portfolio is not getting beat up too bad. Negative 9.77, considering that Bitcoin literally lost half of its value, right? Our portfolio lost just 10% of its value, okay, from the inception, okay, and not in a short period of time. But again, we need to make sure we're comparing apples to apples here, because again, Bitcoin lost its value based on lost its value in the lost half of its value in let's see, we can say a few weeks, okay, in a few weeks. But when I say lost 10% of our value, I'm talking about since the beginning of this experiment, which goes back as far back as to January 5th. All right, so that's what I wanted to share with you. If you want all of this stuff to make sure you're playing the game safe, just follow it, okay? The whole point of this is to keep following me. I want you to come back here and make fun of what we're doing, okay? Maybe it's just a terrible idea, right? Just keep following it, and and then it's going to be a journey of fun rather than losing your shirt. Right? Hopefully you've been enlightened and educated. I will see you on the next one, and peace.